Hi Year 7, this is Miss Rowe and I'm going to show you how to create a border around your working area. So I like to add a border just because it makes it look a bit neater. So highlight the area. So let's start again. So choose, I'm using shopping lists. You might be on Harry Potter or you might be doing homework for another subject, and highlight it. And then what we're going to do is right click down to format cells, which you'll be used to by now, and border. So what I'm going to do is outline. So you can see it there. You can obviously there's none, outline, or the grid lines instead. So let's just choose outline, and then I'm going to go make it go a bit thicker as well because I like to be able to see the table or border, and then OK. So you can see now, easy peasy, a little border around the edge. And if you're not happy with that border, obviously you go back into it, right click, format cells, and then you can choose, there's like dashes and dots depending on what kind of look you're going for. You can see there. Or we can change the colour. So that, and then you can see that's going to match the title. There you go. And that's it. So that's how you add a border in.